How to see sent follow requests on Instagram and how to cancel those follow requests. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimo from App Guide, and in today's guide video I will simply show you how you can see all of the people whom you requested to follow and has not accepted your follow request, and how you can cancel those follow requests. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So you might have requested to follow someone in your previous days and now they have not accepted it, but you want to cancel those follow requests. So simply make sure to watch this video till the end. Now, in order to view the list of all of the people you followed and requested to follow, you will not be able to do it from the app. In that case, I will simply go ahead and open my browser. Once you open your browser, what you have to do is you simply want to go to Instagram.com. So simply go ahead and tap on Instagram or go to Instagram.com. As you can see at the very top, I'm on Instagram.com, and you want to make sure that you are logged into your account basically. And as you can see, I'm currently logged into my account. If you want to view the follow request, which you have, what you have to do is, again, at the address bar, you have to simply tap on it and you need to add in something. So after Instagram.com, right over here, you want to simply type in accounts. So go ahead and type in accounts/access_tool. So as you can see right over here, if you look closely, after Instagram.com, you want to type in accounts/access_tool. I'll also make sure to leave this direct link down in the description box. So if you're having trouble looking at it and going through it, simply make sure to click that link in the description and then log into your Instagram account. Once you come to this particular page, you'll be able to see all of these options right over here, such as your account info, your profile info, and so on. But we are going to scroll down, and under the connections tab right over here, you can see this button which says current follow request and which says view all. So you can see all of the people you've requested to follow. What you could do is simply tap on this view all button which you see. As you tap on view all button, you'll be able to see a list of names whom you have requested to follow on Instagram. Now you could also go ahead and simply tap on the view more button in order to see all of the list right over here. But if you want to unfollow and then cancel that follow request, you will not be able to do it directly from here. What you have to do is simply actually copy the username from over here. So let me go ahead and simply copy the username of any of these users, let's say. So once you copy the username of that person, now we will come back to the Instagram app, or you can simply view them from here as well. Let me just go ahead and show you from the browser itself. So I will tap on the search button at the very top and I will simply paste that particular username. And you can see that if I go ahead and tap on it, you have requested to follow, but they have not yet accepted your follow request. Now you can tap on it and then unfollow and then cancel your follow request. You could do this for all the other users as well. This is how you can very easily view, see, and then cancel your sent follow request on Instagram. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.